How to comment photos on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to comment photos on TikTok, what you're gonna do is first of all, update your TikTok to the latest version. After that is done, just launch the application on your device. After that, if you want to comment on a certain video, go to the comment section of that video. Now, since the creator has turned off comments in this video, we cannot do it. Let's go to the next video and try doing it. Over here, if you want to comment a photo, what you're gonna do is, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your photo icon. Click on it. Now, it will take you to your camera roll. Over here, you can see all the photos present on your device. Now, you can either select a photo from here or you can select the photo from specific albums by clicking on the option which says all on the top of the page. Now, just select the photo you want to upload. After selecting that, you can also write something about the photo or the video, or you can simply write nothing and just comment the photo. Now, in order to upload the comment, what you're gonna do is click on the arrow, which is on the pink box over here. After you click on this, you'll successfully comment a photo on a TikTok. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.